Hi, this is Jennifer at the New Home Experts, and today we are out in Kestrel Village, which is the new village out here in Summerlin at the 215 in Lake Mead. Today we're focusing on two homes that are priced just about $600,000 here for new construction at Vireo by Woodside. So let's get started right now. So this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything about new homes happening here in Las Vegas, then go ahead and subscribe below and hit that notification bell so you can be in the know every time we drop a new video about new homes happening here in Las Vegas. We do get calls and texts every day from people just like you looking to make a move to Las Vegas, and we would love to help you make your dream of living in Las Vegas a reality. So today we are out in Vireo by Woodside, and we did do a video here a few months back, and I'll go ahead and put the link to that here. So if you are interested in looking at all the floor plans that are available out here, you will have the opportunity to watch that video. Today we're going to focus on actually the smaller floor plans, and the reason why is here is a great opportunity to buy a single family home here in the newest village of Summerlin, just about $600,000. And right now we are essentially in June of 2024, and believe it or not, the builders are already thinking about that year end, which is about 6 months away from where we are right now. So to share with you some details on that, any of the homes that they are essentially speccing by dirt for right now, again, are going to be completed at year end. So if you're interested in being able to spec out your entire home from all your cabinets and flooring and countertops, all of your structural options, and you want to be able to do that on your own, then now is a great time to be looking at something that would be done by year end. Today we're going to focus on the Sage floor plan, which is just under 1,600 square feet. I'm excited to show you around. Hi, welcome. This is the Sage floor plan out here in Vireo. It's 1,593 square feet. And if this home looks at all familiar, this home was built at another very popular Woodside community called Obsidian. And one of the biggest wow factors of this home is you walk in and look at this gorgeous two-story living area. It really is so nice because it's just 2 stories of big windows, and you really walk in and there's just this incredible wow factor about this space. Even though it's not a really large home, it feels really open, feels really spacious, and it's just a great layout. So here is your kitchen area. And I love that it has a nice, good-sized pantry over here. Oh, actually it's much bigger than I thought. Look at that, it goes all the way back. Wow, that's nice. So nice extra storage. Here you've got the GE profile appliances, which are beautiful. Of course, these are the model appliances. But again, as I mentioned earlier in the video, at this time, with homes that would be completed by year end, you really would have the opportunity to pick out all of your options, from cabinets to countertops to flooring and some of the structural options. So this home can be built as a 2-bedroom plus loft, which is what we're standing in right now, or it can be built as a 3-bedroom. So you can kind of have that option between the two, and this would be a time that you could actually select how you would like the configuration of your home. What I love here is just this nice outdoor space here. Oh, I love that this opens. Sometimes you never know. So just a really cute patio space. And the views from these home sites, a lot of them have beautiful views of the mountains. You're really kind of high up here, which is kind of fun. Of course, makes it maybe a drop cooler in the summer, although it doesn't feel particularly cooler right now. You also have your powder room down here, so you've got the half bath here. And then upstairs, you're going to have your loft, in this case a loft, and then your primary bedroom and a secondary bedroom. Let's go take a look. And welcome to your second floor. Here, obviously they have it done as a loft. What I really do like about the loft space, of course, is that it does keep it a lot more open. So I love how they did the railing here, and then it does keep that open to below. And then here you have another balcony. And this is actually a big balcony. It goes all the way to the secondary bedroom over here. So from the secondary bedroom, you also have the option to come out and hang out on this beautiful balcony. And you can see, I mean, look at those mountain views. Really, it's so neat up here, I love it. And then of course, if you're facing the other direction, depending on the home site, there are a few home sites that do have an actual incredible strip view as well. Yep. So over here, this is your primary bedroom. And Peter did nail it, because here you do. We are facing now towards the strip, and you can see some of those strip views, which are pretty neat. Of course, the residences that are going to be built across the street from us are really going to have that amazing view. So here, I love this shower. And this isn't a really big house, but it really has all the, accoutrements of like just a beautifully well-appointed home, which you'd have the opportunity to do as well. I mean, this is gorgeous. And I love the floors as well. And then of course it matches the floor of the bathroom. And here is your closet. And you have double sinks, which is nice. And then I love that it has just a nice little extra, is it has another closet over here. So I like that. I like that because then you really do have two closets. For the size of the residence, again, we are under 1,600 square feet. I think this is a really nice, comfortably sized primary bedroom. Here, this is the loft. It can be done as a third bedroom space. Here is bedroom 2, which, same as we said earlier, does have the walkout to the balcony, which I think is really nice. So it just kind of keeps all that outdoor space, I just think adds to the feeling of being an open, nice open space. And then here you have your secondary bathroom. It is a full bath. So in addition to this home, this is 1,593 square feet. It is called the Sage. They have another floor plan. It is not modeled out here in the field, but I can see if we might be able to take a look at one in the field. I'll let you know. And that is the Aspen floor plan. It is quite a bit smaller. It's under 1,500 square feet. And again, the reason why I mentioned both of these floor plans is by the time you put in your lot premium and your structural options and all of your upgrades, right now you can still comfortably stay around that $600,000 mark, which is a great opportunity here in Summerlin. There isn't a lot of single family homes, brand new construction, that you can purchase at that $600,000 price point. So this is a great option if that's kind of your budget. Something like this, obviously nice, an open space, brand new construction out here in the very desirable Kestrel Village of Summerlin. And let's go see if we can get a little bit more detail on that Aspen floor plan. Okay, so now we are out in the field here at Vireo, and I love the way these lots are done. You can see they're just sort of going up and up the hill. So all of the homes on this side are going to have some absolutely spectacular views from that fence. Over here, we are standing next to a completed Aspen floor plan. This is 1441 square feet. We are going to put the link in our information below if you'd like to see the Matterport of this particular floor plan, because it is not modeled and there is nothing even under construction right now of this Aspen floor plan. You would at this point be building from dirt. So this one, again, by the time you put all of your options, upgrades, and your lot premium, you would stay comfortably under $600,000 for that Aspen floor plan. If we walk over here, and excuse my inappropriate shoe wear today. Over here, there is actually a lot available for the Sage floor plan that is going to be on the top of this amazing cul-de-sac with some views that possibly you're going to get some of the strip from that second level. So I'm not going to walk out there, but our handy cameraman is going to take a walk out to the end of this lot just to show you what some of those views can be from up top here. So as you can see, you can get some really incredible views from this these top lots that are available right now. And there are a bunch of home sites that would fit the Sage plan that have been recently released by the builder. So again, this is a great time to be looking at homes that would be completed by year end out here in Vireo. So we are going to, of course, put the information on that Matterport for the Aspen floor plan in our information below, so you can click that link and take a look at that Aspen floor plan. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch our video today out here in the beautiful Vireo by Woodside Homes in the Kestrel Village of Summerlin. There are some great opportunities for ownership in here, especially if you are budget, as far as your budget, you're looking at about $600,000. This could be a really great option for you. For more information, please visit those details in our blog. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time.